Batuk Bhairava is the manifestation of Shiva himself in a child form. So the story goes, when Ma Kali was in battle, was enraged in battle, she was literally unstoppable. So Kali is very intense. When she's in action, nobody can stop her. Man, woman, no one. So to stop her, Shiva transforms into a small child and comes in front of Ma Kali. So Ma Kali's motherlyhood awakens and she becomes a little calmer. So there is a spiritual significance to it. So when you get into Devi sadhana through Tantra process, so Devi is never alone, Ma Kali is never alone. There is a whole mandala, the Yakshini, Yogini and many other entities. You have to appease all of them. Without appeasing these entities, you cannot go directly to Devi. So here the spiritual significance is Batuka can take care of all these entities so that you don't have to separately appease these entities. So in a way, Batuka can solve any problem, whether it is material, financial, psychological, or any other problem. Anxiety, if you have anxiety, he can take care of anything. So therefore, if you want to start Batuk Bhairav Sadhana, you can start with the Nama mantra of Batuk Bhairava, which is Om Batuk Bhairavaya Namah. So if you do this mantra for a longer period of time, you will see that a lot of your problems, whether it's financial or material or any other problem, it gets resolved. So remember one thing, and he's very fast actually, other than the other deities. He's actually very fast. So you have to understand one thing. If you have a greater problem, a bigger problem, if the problem is very intense, the sadhana has to be that intense. If you do 1-2 mala every day and if your problem is very big, it is not going to solve that. So it has to be in proportion to the problem you have. So 5 malas are okay for a beginner, but if you have a bigger problem, you can always do more. So that is up to you. And you will see how you get the results in a very short period of time. So this is how you can do a simple Batuk Bhairav sadhana. You can start with the Nama mantra, Om Batuk Bhairavaya Namah. Keep a photo of Batuk Bhairava from Kashi. Put some naivedyas, some bhog. Sweets are fine. Anything made of gur is absolutely fine. And light diya, agarbatti, diya made of tel, ghee, both are fine. And chant this mantra, whatever is suitable for you in the beginning. Do that and you see you get very fast results for all your problems, financial problem or any other problem you have in your life. Go ahead and do this sadhana. This is a wonderful sadhana. And there are higher mantras of Batuka as well, like the Apaduddharaka mantra, which is not suggested at the time because you were just starting. So it is generally after 1,000 or 1,200 malas, you can switch to Batuk Bhairava Apaduddharaka mantra, but not in the beginning. So this Nama mantra itself is very, very powerful. Please do this and you will see the results. It's already proven. If someone does Batuk Bhairava sadhana for a long time, he can get the results. It is already proven fact. So do the sadhana and see the results yourself. And as always, take care of your dharma, because your dharma is your responsibility. Jai Bhairav.